here.
You found it.
Hey, Mommy, I found my pushing fire truck. It's right there.
Oh, you found both of them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can you pull them out?
Yeah, but first I have to get this box again. Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, this one's good. I don't want to do it.
Probably not.
He got this. He got
Why'd you pull the whole basket out?
Mommy, he got me a shovel and a rake.
And what are you going to do with those?
I'm just going to put them back.
Where will you use them?
Oh, Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted this from the store.
What is it?
I wanted this from the store.
Paints?
Yeah, I wanted paint from the bookstore, but except Easter Bunny gave me them.
Oh, what a nice Easter bunny. Can you pick your basket up?
And a shirt for me? Ah, dang it. I don't know why he gave me a shirt. I don't know why he gave me a new shirt.